And welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to unshadow ban your account, that is cleaning up your checklist on Instagram. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So shadow banning your account may result in simple things like not getting enough reach or like people not discovering you. So if you want to unshadow ban your Instagram account, you should perform a cleanup by pausing activity for 48 to 72 hours. You need to simply go and check for Instagram stories or like Instagram posts or any activities that may have violated the guidelines and simply remove them. You need to stop the use of banned or spammy hashtags and also disconnect any third party automation apps. A temporary break allows the algorithm to reset your account, while cleaning up content and third party app addresses the root causes of shadow ban. So, this is how you can simply unshadow ban your Instagram account. I hope you found this video helpful. So, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.